Before COVID, retail investors made up around somewhere between, depending upon how you run the data, 8 to 10% of US equity market volume on a daily basis. In 2025, that number was somewhere between 20 to 25%, during some periods as high as 35%. So we used to kind of point the finger at retail and say that they don't really matter for markets. That's so far from the truth. I totally disagree with that sentiment. And some of the reason being is because retail investors actually care now. They have more information at their fingertips, the ability to sort of trade in a variety of ways, but also do so in an educated way. And so I think it's a risk for institutional investors not to focus on what retail investors are doing. But we also see that, again, when we look at some of the flow data, retail investors are, of course, still interested in some of the Magnificent Seven stocks, Tesla probably being the tip of the spear there, but a company like Palantir, and then newer, smaller, sort of very, very high growth sectors of the economy and sectors of the market, that they can feel like their influence actually matters. Tesla is sort of, I think, a unique case for the market when we think about the influence of various cohorts of investors on it. Tesla is a company that at the end of the day right now, they, of course, have some other businesses, but the main business is selling EVs. But as we know, the kind of premium, the valuation of that company is more and always has been focused on the future. The future for Tesla now is seemingly humanoid robotics and then robo-taxis, which are beginning to roll out. And that's an incredibly exciting area for that company and others. And Tesla continues to have a really, really loyal retail investor base, but also a loyal institutional investor base who believe in Elon Musk, believe in the transformation that that company can bring. So to me, I think it's more about sort of the valuation premium associated with that. In similar ways, people are actually valuing the future and what could come, whether they're retail or institutional when it comes to Tesla.